वेलकम बैक टू माय स्टडी चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है थ्योरी ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स। दिस टॉपिक हैज़ बीन टेकन फ्रॉम जनरल इकोनॉमिक्स। फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर JKSSP पंचायत अकाउंट्स असिस्टेंट जॉब, then this topic is most important for your preparation for your selection. Without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 is the desire to have a commodity or service is called. Here answer is the desire to have a commodity or service is called want. Option 1 is the right answer. Question number 2 is, that is B, welfare definition of economics was given by. Here answer is welfare definition of economics was given by Alfred Marshall. Option 2 is the right answer. Alfred Marshall. Next question is, a book The Nature of Significance of Economic Science is written by. देखो क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं. A book The Nature and Significance of Economic Science is written by. Here the right answer is Samuelson. Option 3 is the right answer. Samuelson is the right answer. Next question is, the goods which satisfy human wants directly are called. The goods which satisfy human wants directly are called. Here answer is consumer goods. Consumers goods is the right answer. The goods which satisfy human wants directly are called consumers goods. Next question is, by making a table, a carpenter creates. Here answer is option 1, that is farm utility. By creating, or you can say making a table, a carpenter creates farm utility. Next question is, the satisfaction of human want is called. The satisfaction of human want is called. Answer is consumption. Consumption is the right answer. Next question is, health is not wealth because it has no. Health is not wealth because it has no dash. Here answer is marketability. Health is not wealth because it has no marketability. ठीक है, ऑप्शन 3 is the right answer. Next question is, motor car for a busy doctor is a. Motor car for a busy doctor is a. Here answer is necessary. Motor car for a busy doctor is a necessary. Next question is, when marginal utility diminishes total utility. When marginal utility diminishes total utility. Here the right answer is increases at a diminishes rate. Increases at a diminishing rate. Option 4 is the right answer. This is the right answer. Next question is, the law of equi-marginal utility is otherwise called as. The law of equi-marginal utility is otherwise called as. Here the right answer is, this is question number आपका ये है J. So here the right, the law of equi-marginal utility is otherwise called as law of substitution is the right answer. Option 1. Next question is, the marginal utility curve is. Here answer is downward sloping. The marginal utility curve is downward sloping. Option 1 is the right answer. Next question is, change in demand occurs due to the change in dash. Change in demand occurs due to the change in. here income, prices of related goods, taste and preference. So answer is all of these. Change in demand occurs due to the change in income, prices of related goods, taste and preferences. So answer is all of these. This is the right answer. Next question is, in case of perfectly elastic demand, demand curve becomes, here the right answer is horizontal. In case of perfectly elastic demand, demand curve becomes horizontal. Next question is, in case of unitary elastic demand, the value of ED is, in case of unitary elastic demand, the value of ED is, here the right answer is 0. Next question is, the demand curve of given goods is, the demand curve of given goods is, here the right answer is vertical. The demand curve of given goods is, here the right answer is vertical. देखो फ्रेंड्स, मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया था कि जो गिवन गुड्स होती हैं वो होती हैं जिनमें बिल्कुल ही लो इनकम होती है, ठीक है, नॉन लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट होते हैं। सो जिनके ऊपर बहुत ही कम प्रॉफिट होता है उन्हें कहते हैं गिवन गुड्स। तो यहाँ पे पूछा गया है द डिमांड कर्व ऑफ गिवन गुड्स इज, हेयर आंसर इज वर्टिकल। ऑप्शन 4 इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज वर्टिकल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, when mu is 0, tu is, when mu is 0, tu is, here maximum, maximum is the right answer. When mu is 0, tu is maximum. Next question is, in case of perfectly elastic demand, the value of ED is, a repeated question, in case of perfectly elastic demand, the value of ED is infinite. Fourth, option 4 is the right answer, that is infinite. Next question is, the elasticity of demand for goods used for alternative purpose is, the elasticity of demand for goods used for alternative purpose is, here the right answer is elastic. Next question is, in case of perfect substitutes, the elasticity of demand is, in case of perfect substitutes, the elasticity of demand is, here the right answer is infinite. Next question is, the demand for necessaries is, the demand for necessaries is, answer is inelastic. Next question is, wristwatch for a college student is a, here answer is necessary. Wristwatch for a college student is a necessary. Next question is, the demand for comforts is, answer is elastic. The demand for comforts is elastic. Next question is, in case of perfectly elastic demand curve is, in case of perfectly elastic demand curve is horizontal. फ्रेंड्स, अगर नहीं करेंगे क्वेश्चन को रिवाइज तो कैसे आएगा? ऐसे वाले क्वेश्चन जो है शायद हमने सुने भी नहीं है पहले कभी, सो इनको रिवाइज करना ही पड़ेगा। इन केस ऑफ परफेक्टली इलास्टिक डिमांड कर्व इज हॉरिजॉन्टल, इन केस ऑफ परफेक्टली इलास्टिक डिमांड कर्व इज हॉरिजॉन्टल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन केस ऑफ यूनिटरी इलास्टिक डिमांड कर्व इज, अगर यूनिटरी इलास्टिक है तो डिमांड कर्व क्या होगी आपकी? रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला, रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला होगी, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द डिमांड, ये क्वेश्चन क्या था? इन केस ऑफ यूनिटरी इलास्टिक डिमांड कर्व इज रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला, अगर यूनिटरी इलास्टिक है तो डिमांड कर्व क्या होगी? रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला। The demand for commodity on which a consumer spends more percentage of his income is, the demand for commodity on which a consumer spends more percentage of his income is, here the right answer is more elastic. More elastic is the right answer. Next question is, in case of relatively more elastic demand curve is, here the right answer is flatter. In case of relatively more elastic demand curve is, answer is flatter. ठीक है, दिस इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज फ्लैटर. यहाँ पे जो राइट आंसर है आपका, इन केस ऑफ रिलेटिवली मोर इलास्टिक डिमांड कर्व इज flatter. So friends, today we have completed these most important questions. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. Friends, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get our latest videos. Thanks for watching this video friends. Prepare well, perform well. Friends, हार्ड वर्क कीजिए, बहुत कम समय रह गया है. उम्मीद है आप हार्ड वर्क करेंगे और सक्सेसफुल होंगे. सो इसी उम्मीद के साथ आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.